Okay, somebody was asking me, how do you get the beacon lights to work? Basically, if you were wondering, bend them down or bend them up. As you can see, this one's bent down, and that one is bent up. The main thing is you got to have some vibration. You got to have some vibration with the locomotives running around. Because if you go ahead and shut the locomotives off, stop them, these things will stop. You have to have just regular old track and get a little vibration going. Screw down the base so it gets some more vibration up. Thanks for watching. Bye.